In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sub-bullets in Notion. Whether you're organizing your thoughts for a work project, jotting down notes for a class, or planning your grocery list, having a clearly organized list can make all the difference in your productivity. Let's dive into how you can create nested bullet points, or sub-bullets, in your Notion workspace. First, open your Notion workspace where you want to create your list. It's important that you're comfortable navigating within the page structure of Notion, as this will make the process smoother. So, in your chosen workspace, you probably have some text or a list that you'd like to format a bit more neatly with bullets and sub-bullets. Next, identify the specific item you want to add sub-bullets to. You'll notice that when you hover over this line of text, a little handle appears to the left of it, a series of 6 small dots. This is Notion's block handle, and it's your gateway to customizing that block of text. Click on these 6 dots. Once the menu pops up, you'll see an option that says Turn Into. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to transform that text block into a different type of block. Click on Turn Into, and a list of block types will appear. From this menu, scroll through the options and select Bulleted List. By choosing this, you're telling Notion to convert your selected text into a bullet point, laying the groundwork for creating sub-bullets underneath it. Now, here's where it gets interesting for creating sub-bullets. After you've converted your line into a bullet point, open up a new line directly beneath it. You can do this by simply pressing Enter or Return on your keyboard. Notion's smart formatting will automatically start a new bullet for you underneath your original one. To create a sub-bullet, press the Tab key. This indents the bullet point, effectively converting it into a sub-bullet. Each time you press Enter after typing out your content, it will create a new bullet at the same level as the one you've just completed. Adjusting the position and level of these bullets is easy, and you can always use the Tab key to help adjust these as needed to create more sub-bullets or to return back to the main list. Remember, making sure your content is organized and easy to follow will not only help you keep track of your thoughts, but also make your notes easier to share and more visually appealing. So whether you're building a complex project plan or simply jotting down a few thoughts, using bullet points and sub-bullets can dramatically enhance clarity and readability. And there you have it. You now know how to easily add sub-bullets to your notes in Notion. Keep practicing, and you'll become a pro in no time. Thanks for watching.